Welcome to the Download Tutorial series. This series is designed to take you through the process and benefits of our download utility. Please keep in mind that this series will cover the download procedure for all of our desktop products, which may not apply to your ASI program. In this video, we will cover the benefits and features of the different levels of download. Let's get started by going over the benefits of downloading. The Easy Download module saves you time by entering management system data based on the information sent by the carrier. This data may include the client, policy, limits, accord forms, vehicles, properties, additional interests, drivers, claims, images, and even commission statements. The level of detail you receive depends on your carrier partners, the version of download you subscribe to, and the ASI product you use. When considering adding download to your management system, you should first review the current carrier partners listed on our website at agencysoftware.com. This will show you all of the carriers we currently have certified. If a carrier is not on the list, it simply means we have not yet looked at their download files to ensure matching fields. You can always request certification through the uncertified carrier. For those using our traditional ASI programs, there are two levels of download available: Download and Download Plus. If you currently have the download module and are unsure of which version you have, open your Suspense Manager and look for the wording at the bottom reading Extended Download Capabilities Enabled. If you see this label, you have Download Plus. Both versions of Download will receive from the carrier policy information, including personal lines limits. This policy detail includes endorsements, cancellations, and audits, and in some cases, even quotes. On personal lines policies, the coverages and limits will come down with the policy image. In the case of a new client, the download will create the client to which the policy entries will be attached. Most carriers will also send scheduled details, including drivers, properties, and vehicles connected to the personal lines policies. More and more carriers are also sending claims and even images such as deck pages associated with the downloaded personal lines policy. You have the option during download processing to allow the download to create associated accord forms. When using the personal lines level of download, you will get commercial lines clients and policies, but the limits and schedules are not created by the download utility. The Download Plus module adds the functionality of entering commercial lines limits, commercial schedules such as vehicles and properties, and commission statement download. The commission download applies only to our Agency Pro management systems, as this is an accounting feature designed to automatically match the downloaded commission statement to accounting-ready policies in the management system. Next, take a look at how to get started by signing up with your companies.